Now I'm at a microwave oven factory under Midea Group, the China's home appliance giant. The factory is one of the largest production bases of microwave oven in the world, with an annual production capacity of more than 44 million units. The factory was listed among the global lighthouse factories by World Economic Forum this March. In 2018, World Economic Forum and McKinsey launched the project of Lighthouse Factory, aiming to select the factories that are considered front-runners in applying post-industrial revolution technologies, such like 5G and big data. What does the Lighthouse Factory look like? Follow me and take a closer look.
Midea factory has finished the digital transformation with the help of intelligence technology. In the whole factory, we have around 800 automation machines, and our automation rate is above 83%. I think the main difference is for us because we are the first batch of the industrial park who has reputed by the 5G plus internet technology, and we adapt this application from the below areas such as the intelligence examining and checking, intelligence of logistics, flexible manufacturing, and T+3 projects. These all help us to make us so special and different. For example, if you buy a microwave of Midea brand, and if there is happened some quality problems, if you came to us, our after-sales team can check this problem within 1 hour or even shorter time to let you know what's wrong with this problem, because we have the database of collecting all these similar or same problems in our team, so we can know the best solution in very short time. In that way, we can improve our quality, and for the next time we design the product, we can avoid this kind of problem. In this way, we can serve the consumers better.